Hi, I'm Mark Woolbright for VerdTech, and this year we're doing something a little bit unique. We're focusing all of our efforts on our Varden plantable retaining wall blocks, and certainly you can plant anything in the world in those. I mean, the possibilities are endless. However, over the last 30 or 35 years, we've figured out a few plant species that are just absolutely bulletproof in most situations and last for decades and decades without replant and without any significant losses. And one of those that we're now selling on our website is Sedum kamchaticum. And we're offering it in a flat of 32 cells or 32 plugs. They're grown in an Elipot paper pouch for easy pull from the tray, easy plant into the center of the pocket on the Varden plantable block once it's filled with soil. And these things will get, about, it's just a little guy here, but it'll get about 12 by 12 and almost like a ball and fill in the open pocket and then blend over the sides of the face. And they'll all kind of grow together to meet and totally cover your Varden retaining wall. And we've got this species. We have a sedum called Phedamus. That's our other offering. And then we have a Baltic ivy or ivy thorndale. And those three items we offer on our website. Check out our planting page and see them in our shop. Thank you.